I am delighted to announce that the winner of the Commercial or Public Sector project is Property Building Maintenance Wales Limited.
Look at the boys celebrating there, congratulations!
What it means to myself and the actual business is massive recognition really for the hard work that the whole team have put in for many years. Running the business is never easy, a lot of sleepless nights and tough times, but to win an award of this magnitude has been a massive boost for us all, and during a tough year it's been a massive spring in the step for everybody in the team. We're just overjoyed. Winning the award positively impacts the business a number of ways really. For our existing clients, the amount of congratulations we receive has been phenomenal. We've also had new clients actually already. We've been interested in building a new build, a refurbishment, so even from a tendering point of view, we do a lot of public procurement and tendering exercises where they ask a lot on quality questions are quite heavily marked, and when you've got an award like this of this magnitude to put there and say, look, actually, yeah, we're saying what we do, we've actually got the proof in the pudding, and it's just been brilliant. What I would like to say to the Red team is a bit of a cheesy one. The old Tina Turner song is simply the best. I've had apprentices come from schools to do apprenticeships, so they've worked with me for decades, some of them. They all work so tirelessly hard, in particular in this project. What I'm most proud about being a master builder is the obvious is obviously the premier, what I say, trade organisation, the biggest in the UK. To be a member of it is something special. But what I think truly value is they're not a membership whereby they take your membership and you get your odd visits and some organisations out there for various things. They're an organisation you've got so much information that benefits SMEs. Recently in the material boom, if you know what I mean, the price increases, and when we needed to negotiate contracts, when I needed information to go against that and find out what actual prices were, that information was able to master builders. It's a whole package really. That's what I value most about it, is the actual benefit. They are our voice in the industry for SMEs, and I'm proud to be a member.
For me, it's great that the construction industry is doing so well after the past couple of years that we've had, and it's great that events are coming back. That's my area, so we're really delighted to be involved.